So hey guys, Dylan here. First I'd like to say thanks for watching this video. It's going to be my top 10 best Avalanche cards. So let's start. Now if you don't know, the Avalanche are my favorite team, so none of this is going to be available. So at number 10 we start with a Sign of the Times rookie autograph of Matt Duchene. So nice Sign of the Times, on card auto, none of that sticker stuff. At number 9, we got a Paul Stastny 3-color jersey prime, 4 of 10. So very nice card. 4 of 10. At number 8, we have this Mammoth Gold 6 of 25 of the captain Gabriel Landeskog from 11-12 Dominion. At number 7, we have number 22 of 75, a signature patch of Paul Stastny. So a nice patch there, and a nice on-card auto. Very nice. At number 6, we have this Ultimate Goalie jersey auto, Semyon Varlamov. Now this one's kind of bigger than the rest, so it's number 9 of 19. Nice 4-color jersey, prime, and a nice auto. So now the top 5. So at number 5 we got this limited auto patch of Matt Duchene, number 23 of 100. Again, a nice on-card auto. Patch is pretty nice. In person it's a lot nicer. At number 4, we have this insane, and take it over the top loader, home jersey of Erik Johnson. Patch auto, out of 10, 4 of 10. So that's such a nice card. Patches on that are insane. Of Erik Johnson. So now at number 3 we have a Ultimate Debut Threads 38 of 50 of Gabriel Landeskog. That's cool because that was a redemption. I waited about 5 months for it, so it's nice that it came in quick. Well, quicker than normal. Sometimes redemptions take a long time. Okay, get this out of the way. We got this Matt Duchene Hero and Prospects autograph, number 1 of 3. So again, I'll show you. It's from the Expo, 1 of 3. Matt Duchene when he played for the OHL's Brampton Battalion. Then he was drafted by Colorado. And number 1, my best Avalanche card, is this Marks of Honor 4 of 25. None other than the captain, the legend, the best player of all time in Avalanche history, Joe Sakic. Very sweet card to get. Always nice getting a Sakic auto. So thanks for watching, you guys. I'm sure I'll do another top 10 eventually. Make sure you leave your comment down in the comment section. I'd love to hear what you guys think about my PC and my top 10. So thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you guys next time.